Ah, yes, a honey badger in his natural habitat. Ocean in the background, sand at its feet, and of course, seagulls to hunt. Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. They call me the honey badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. And today, with the ocean sound in the background and no microphone, we're gonna do the top 5 best. That's right, my top 5 best dual axle travel trailers that are fiberglass-sided, or you may refer to them as smooth-sided. Now, I do want to say, this was a really hard list to do. A lot harder than any other list I've done so far, okay? And if I left you off this list, well, I'll tell you it was pretty tough, okay? Now, this is something I don't normally do. I'm gonna give the best of the rest real quick, because number 5 was really hard. There were 2 travel trailers that I left off the list that I could have put at number 5. And that was Brinkley and East to West, okay? Brinkley lost out because of price point. East to West was left out because it's too much of a copycat of Brinkley. Sorry, guys. So that brings me to number 5. Number 5 is Keystone Cougar. Now, the reason why they're so low on the list is because there's so many good travel trailers at the top. I mean, if Keystone Cougar is number 5, just imagine what the others are. I mean, I own a Keystone Cougar 5th wheel, okay? My kids and my wife live in it up in Oregon. And it's done very well. And they're a really good quality travel trailer. I will say that my only real beef with Keystone, especially with the Cougar, is it just seems like it's the same product from 3 years ago. Yeah, there's been some design choices, some new floor plans that are different. But when I walk into a Keystone Cougar, that's a 2021, 2019, 2018, it feels the same as a 2025, okay? And there's nothing wrong with that. Hell, it's a really good travel trailer brand, so I'm not knocking them. It's just, it's hard to do a top 5 list, right? But since they're not the best, I gotta come to number 4. Number 4 is Forest River Rockwood / Flagstaff. Man, was that hard to put them that low, because that is an amazing travel trailer brand. They do 3 different segments. You got the, what they call microlight, the regular, and the super light, right? So, or I'm sorry, the super light and the classic. And all 3 segments are really well built. Now, let me say this. Is Keystone Cougar and Forest River Rockwood / Flagstaff the best in the industry? No. Are they perfect? No. Do they make mistakes? Yes. Do they have problems? Yes. But they are better than the majority of the RV industry, the majority of the travel trailer fiberglass industry, okay? That brings me to number 3. Number 3 and number 2 have something very similar. Number 3, I'm gonna call it Arctic Fox. Arctic Fox is built like a brick, you know what. I mean, the interior design, it could be something reimagined. It could be something a little more, let me put it this way, you could put a little more lipstick on the pig, because it's so well built that I feel like the interior is very bland, which I understand. They're trying to keep the price point halfway affordable. So I understand the thought pattern behind it. But it's the same thing about my number 2 pick. And my number 2 pick on the list is Outdoors RV. Now, a lot of you are gonna go, what? Outdoors RV is number 2? What the heck? Well, I'll tell you about number 1 in a minute. But it's not an indictment on Outdoors RV. It's just, again, my complaint is it's bland. It's, you know, you have to have some lipstick on the pig to get people to think that it's quality. See, this is the problem Heartland had for a long time with their fifth wheels, the Bighorn, the Landmark. They were so well built. They were so well constructed. But if a young lady walked into the fifth wheel, they walk right out like, oh my God, the quality of the cabinets are horrible. Oh my God, where'd they get their interior design from? And that's kind of how it feels when you walk into Arctic Fox and Outdoors RV. Okay? You know, they're great, well-built, well-insulated, quote-unquote, 4 seasons travel trailers. And my biggest thing that I love about them, Outdoors RV, is they limit how many they build. Even if the market asks for double the production, they'll never double their production. They keep it low, they keep their overhead low, they keep their warranty claims low because they build a very, excuse my language, but bitchin' travel trailer, okay? And that leaves us with numero uno, which is gonna be controversial amongst most of you. But number 1 on my list is Alliance RV. I went into the travel trailers, or fiberglass travel trailers, which I believe is called Paradigm. And it's got the combination of good quality build and the lipstick. And I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen. If Outdoors RV improves the lipstick on the pig, there'll probably be a battle between 1 and 2 for a long time, because when I walk into a Paradigm, they do a fabulous job with putting it together. When I bang on the walls, bang on the ceiling, bang on the coach, it feels like it's rugged and solid. And at the same time, it looks good, which means I make fun of them, but it looks like the Brady boys figured out that Heartland only came so far having really good construction. You have to put some makeup on that sucker, right? And with the Alliance product, they've put some really good makeup on. It looks really good. It looks high quality, and it is high quality. I would take Paradigm, I would take Alliance RV over Grand Design and over Brinkley any day of the week. I feel like overall, they're gonna be a better company, a better brand, and overall, a better coach. So, hope you enjoyed the view. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, toolkit and sense of humor.